Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a story with mighty machines. It looks like our mighty machines are busy in town. There's a steamroller. There's a cat dump truck. Here comes a bulldozer. There's another bulldozer. There's a forklift. What are the mighty machines getting ready to do? It looks like they're going to be having some demo time. Oh, he didn't do very well. Let's see him try again. That crane is working hard on demo time. Let's do some more demo. We're going to be using our fun launcher. Let's see if we can get some good damage with this. Wow, that's so much fun! I think it's time to build some more buildings so that we can knock them down! Yay! Let's go up high, high, high! Wow, it's so tall! Let's watch it fall! Awesome! Wow, look at the steamroller go around those towers! Let's see if the bulldozer can do it! Yay, the bulldozer did it too! What about the cement truck? Great driving, mighty machines! I want to see if the forklift can do it. Yay! He was super fast! Now we know they can get around, but can they knock him over? Let's find out! Here comes the forklift! Yay! He did it! Let's try the bulldozer! Yay! What about the cement truck? Yay! They all did it! These mighty machines can help us build and can help us demolish. They're so much fun! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.